I really hope no Miros vultures. Or any Miros birds. I hope they will not spawn. And that is... oh god, no. No! It's turning really dark. This is not a shaded citadel, right? It's not. I think it's not. Why is it so dark? It's so dark. That is horrifying. That is horrifying. Oh no. Oh no. I hear scissors. How many are there? Why? Why are there? I'm going to jump in the Miros bird. Miros bird juice. Yep, that's the that's the Miros bird juice. Unbelievable. Like, you cannot even make this up. I'm not even kidding. You cannot make this up. Okay. Chat, I think I'm being Chat, I think I'm being watched right now. Chat, I don't think I think I'm being watched, chat. Oh! Bye. Smells like burgers in here. It really smells like burgers. This is what drinking Miros bird juice feels like. This is what drinking Miros bird juice feels like. Yeah, it's Jeremy! It's Jeremy! Jeremy is coming with us! No, that's not Jeremy, that's Peanut. Oh, come on. That's Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Let's go, Peanut. Uh-oh. Wait, why is Peanut taking me off? Peanut. Peanut, where are we going? We're supposed to go down. Peanut. Peanut. Peanut, do you know where we're going? Jeremy knows the way. This is not the way. I know the way too. Peanut. Oh my god. Ew. Ew. That is genuinely horrifying. That is disgusting. Are you afraid of me? The blue creature asks. Yeah, a little. Wait. Looks like a someone leans forward and whispers in your ear.
That isn't fear. That's respect. I like a look with some fear in their eyes. I like a challenge. You have a challenge for me, don't you?
Oh. Where your mom at? What do you mean she's right here? I know what you really need. You said it's essentially so you're rusty. What could you possibly know about me? You're lovely. She looks away suddenly, her body begins shaking. She stumbles backwards and falls over onto the ground. With a gasp, she said, "You understand me perfectly." She begins crying loudly as you sit by her. Ew. You need egg. Oh my god. It's the anime eyes. What did you just do? Oh my god. Mother, we are reborn. We have reintroduced to the existence. We are a family now. Oh my god. Why do they all look like that? That is disgusting. Those look disgusting. This is all disgusting. The new creature. Ew. Ew. That is disgusting. This is genuinely horrifying. This is genuinely horrifying. The new creature looked like the monster cat, and she is happy. She hugs the figures and then they embrace her back. You feel like you might have finally done something right, and you have. Goodbye loneliness, goodbye sadness, hello family. Okay, the view is industrial, but not like beautiful. You lean your head onto Spearmaster. This is nice. Uh-oh. Hey, I'm the Vulture King, and this is our territory. Get lost, buddy. You just killed my partner. Got a problem with that? Our boss here does what he wants. We rule this canopy. I will get my revenge! Raising your voice, eh? Will teach you a lesson you won't forget. You won't forget the wrath of the vulture gang. Grab a spear off the ground. Before you get a chance to react, air balls of spit fly through the air and begin pelting the vultures. They fly backwards, looking shocked. You vultures think you rule this canopy? Not when I am around. I'll rip your wings right off your body. The red lizard makes quick chase and the 3 vultures decide to make an escape. Threaten the red lizard with your spear. Whoa, wait, that's not necessary. I'm not here to eat you. I'm used to dealing with red lizards. Don't you think you can pull anything on me, foul beast? No, I just want to introduce you to my friend. They're kind of shy, but they've been eyeing you from a distance. Okay. Sure, I guess. Red lizard runs off to get their friend like a good wingman. What is happening right now? Okay, wait.
Hello? It's, nice to meet you.
Hey, what's up?
I think you're like pretty cute.
Oh, thanks. So, you come here often?
Haha,
Oh yeah, this is,
like my hangout spot.
oh cool, that's pretty neat. Haha, yeah. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Oh, just so nervous. It's fine. Deep breaths. I'm pretty chill. You don't need to be nervous. Oh, wow. That is so understanding of you. I love you. What? Wait. I mean. Wait. No, I can't say that yet. It's too early, right? No. I always mess it up. Patting the lizard on the head. Before you get a chance to reach your head out, tentacle slaps the back of the lizard and pulls them off of the edge of the tower. You hear a faint slurping sound before more tentacles emerge over the edge. Panic. The situation has gotten out of control. Too much is happening at once. You grab your head as the mass of tentacles moves toward you. Ew. That is not an appropriate thing to say. This is a family-friendly dating sim. You need to watch your mouth. Oh. Well, that concludes my entire gameplay. This is I finally did it. Finally did it, guys.